Let's make Captain Morgan's frozen zombie. Instead of blending this drink, we are going to shake. And I'm going to start with my simple syrup. 1 ounce of homemade simple syrup. I prefer homemade. I do make my own recipes here on the channel if you'd like to check it out. The link will be down below. 1 ounce is going to be 30 milliliters. That's pretty close. 1 ounce of passion fruit juice, and I do not juice my own passion fruit. I buy it in the store. Link will be down below if you want to buy some online. 1 ounce is 30 milliliters. 1 ounce of grapefruit juice. 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. 2/3 of an ounce of lime juice. 2/3 of an ounce is 20 milliliters. It's not often I use that measurement. I said lime juice, right? I hope so. And finally, Captain Morgan spiced rum, 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. Oh, got that on there crooked. I'm gonna let this sit for just a moment, and I'm gonna crush some ice. I'll be right back. Ice crushed, I'm gonna dump a bunch of this into the shaker. And I'm gonna give it a quick shake. Done. I'm now gonna open pour this into my highball or Collins glass. Oh, a little too much ice. I'll put that in a sidecar or something. And straw. I was gonna say garnish, but garnish is now. I probably should garnish first, but a little bit of cinnamon. Just enough. And Angostura bitters. They don't tell you how much Angostura bitters. I'm gonna do 2 dashes and then spill it all over everywhere and then do 1 for the gnome. So I did 3. And there you have it. The frozen zombie from Captain Morgan. Made for 1. Drink with good spirits.